This is the first guitar lesson with me, so we would have gone over E sits right here on the first string, your E note. F sits right next to it on the first fret. And then G is 2 frets higher on the 3rd fret. So we learned about notes E, F, and G. We also learned how to pick a note with your index and middle fingers. You're going to rest your thumb not on string 1 but on string 2. You're going to point. You're going to slide towards your finger, and towards your thumb, when your finger gets to your thumb, you're going to pluck up the back of your thumb, and then you're going to do the exact same thing with your middle finger. So we're going to point, slide, pluck, point, slide, pluck. That is how you play, how I want you to play when you're playing notes with your index and middle finger. Notice my wrist is not bending. The other thing we worked on was how to hold a pick. What you do is you take your thumb like this, you take the side of your finger and just touch. It's where you're holding the pick. The pick goes long ways down your thumb, splits it in half kind of, and then you hold it like that so that the fat end of the pick is sticking out. You don't play with the long end, you play with the fat end. Then when you bring it to your guitar, you angle it so that it cannot fit, so that it can't go in between the strings. It needs to be angled like that. So you're holding it, this is going in between the strings. You lift the back of the, the pick up in the air, so it just rolls over the string. It doesn't go flat on the string, it rolls over the string. So we played E, F, and G out of the book, and then we did a C chord, and we keep the pick at an angle, have your pinky touching the guitar, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we switched over to a G chord where you put your pinky on the first string 3rd fret, D on the 2nd string 3rd fret, and you do a pick of the 3rd string, strum 2 and 1, pick, strum, pick, strum, and then back to C. And then the second song we did, we had an E chord, where your first finger is on the 1, 2, 3rd string of the 1st fret, and then we have F, where you bar strings 1 and 2, and if you need to mute string 1, that's fine, and then you put your 2nd finger on the 3rd string 2nd fret. So that's what we did. We had chord C, G,